Hi, this is Shubhro here from TechTorial. Today I will show you how to use delimited function in Microsoft Excel. That is the opposite of concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. In my previous video, I have shown you how to use the concatenate function in Excel. So now today in this video, I will show you how to use the different function, the opposite function of concatenate in Microsoft Excel, and that can be used in different ways and different function in your job, in your work life, in your student life, in different ways, in different situation you can use that delimited function, and also the previous one, the concatenate function. So in this video I will show you the delimited function in Microsoft Excel. Here you are seeing a Microsoft Excel document where the full names are there. Two types of full names are there, and there is a column called first name and last name. If I want to separate that full names into different first name and last name thing, so what I can do, use that function called delimited to separate that. So how to do that? First I have to select all of the columns, like yes, that all of the columns, and go to the data option. In data option, go to text to columns. Okay, here are two things, the delimited function and the fixed widget function, and I will show you in my video. Please watch it till to the end how to use that fixed widget other than the delimited. In that thing we can use the delimited function because the name or the thing is separated by a space or a different thing, like here the comma is the separator. So first we can use that, select the columns, choose delimited, then go to next. Here, yes, mark the column space so that the things are separated through the space, and other than this I'm showing you later on. Go to next, choose the thing general because the text things are in text, so otherwise you can choose in the dates. Then you can choose the destination. The destination is that is the destination. So then call finish. Yes, the first name and last name are there. That's how you can use the delimited function to separate those things. Okay, so if I want to separate, let's go first name. Okay, so if I want to just delete all those things, like yes, here's all those things, delete all, yes, delete all those things. If I want to use that thing, there is a these are these names are separated by a comma. If I want to separate by commas, so there's the last name is in the first, so put the last name in the first column and the first name in the second column. Then select the text, then go to again text to columns, choose delimited, go to next, separated by comma, or if I use comma, so that I'm using that other, so that there are different ways, like there can be underscore, there can be different characters, so you can use that other thing. So if we cannot find the separator in tab, semicolon, comma and space, use that, go to next, put the destination here and finish. Yes, the last name and first name are there. So that's how we can use delimited function in different ways. Think you are working in a uh, product sending company or production house or different things, and you are sending your products to different destinations, and you have this file, web file. There are the number, the first three characters show from where you are sending The next three characters are showing the flight numbers, and the last three characters is showing the destination. So if we want to separate those things, like first in origin from the products is going, flight number and destination. So how can you use that? Select all those things, all the text to column, and go to fixed width. As the things, there are no limiter or there are no separator, so we are using the fixed width thing. Yes, go to the first separator, and then the second separator, and go to next. There, check whether the things are right or not, and go to destination, choose the destination, then finish. Yeah, that's how the origin, flight number and destination are there in different columns. That's how we can use the delimited function, that is the opposite of the concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. You can use that for different purposes. So if you have any queries, please do write in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching this video. I am Shubhro from TechTorial. Please be with us, subscribe my channel.